Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make cilok, a traditional food from Bandung, West Java. But before that, you have to prepare the ingredients. First, you have to prepare all-purpose flour, tapioca starch, seasoning or gourmet powder. It's optional. If you don't want to use it, then okay. And then white pepper, and then garlic. You can prepare more if you want to make a bigger portion. And then you have sugar, salt, and hot water. So let's start cooking. So the first step to make cilok is that you have to prepare the bowl first and then the spatula. And then you have to put 10 tablespoons of tapioca starch. This is the crucial part to make cilok or meatball because the tapioca starch make your food become more chewy. Next step, you have to put 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. After you put all the flour needed, now you have to stir it until it all mixes together. Next, we have 3 cloves of garlic. You can add more garlic if you want, but right now I'm just have 3 cloves of garlic. And we have to chop the garlic, and my sister helped me to chop. And it's a little bit messy, but it's okay. Alright, now we already have all the seasoning prepared. First, we have to put the chopped garlic and then the gourmet powder. I don't give an exact measurement for the seasoning. You can have your own measurement according to your needs. Next, we have to put the salt, a little bit of sugar, and don't forget to add a little bit of white pepper on it. Next, we have to mix it all together. Okay, the next step is we have to pour hot water on it. We have to pour the water step by step. So you have to mix it all together until you have the perfect consistency of your dough like this. So now it's time to form small circles and then we can boil the dough. This is the last step of making the cilok. First, you have to boil water, and you can gradually put the cilok dough into the water. Make sure that your dough is already in the surface of the boiling water. If it's already cooked, then you can serve it in the bowl or your plate. There you go, Cilok Bandung, made by Rania Fatima from 12 Social.